We're at Oasis Marine, and the installers are here getting ready to work on the mast, but as you can see, I think we got a little weather rolling in. Should we record in case we get hit again? Oh yeah.
We're about out of here. I'm not messing around with lightning. I've been struck, so.
Well, we got rained out, so I have to get the mast done today. So we're gonna be back tomorrow from Fort Pierce back to St. Augustine again. Give it another shot and try and get this boat done. Plus they found the flux compass was smoked, and I thought he got a new one. He didn't, so that'll be here tomorrow too. So.
Well, after another 6 hours round trip from Fort Pierce to St. Augustine, we went back and tried again and get the rest of the installs done from the lightning strike. While we were waiting, we went ahead and worked on our ditch bag and got our Iridium Go programmed.
Where are we?
We are at 123 Burger House in St. Augustine, and we're having lunch, much needed lunch. We're really hungry.
Hey guys, where's the plain burger?
Over there.
Yeah, nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Anything else for now?
No, you're great.
All right, y'all enjoy.
Thanks.
Bye.
Delicious.
I decided to jump in there and lend them a hand, but what they had to change was the masthead light, all the wiring for the antenna, for the radio and for the AIS, and of course brand new radar.
Got water? She's running. Got water coming out. No water coming in. All right, I'm ready. How you doing, man? Oh, got the trawler? Here. That's okay. I got a line. I got a pole over there, Shay. That's gonna stop me. Cool. Thanks, guys.
After a month of staying with family and not having a place of our own, it's finally nice to be able to move back on our boat. We got to get all this crap out of the car and up on the boat. The Oasis Marina is on the San Sebastian River. It has some beautiful wildlife. Well, we're back in St. Augustine Municipal Marina on a mooring ball. This is where a month ago, almost exactly a month ago, we got hit. Yep.
And oddly enough, we get here and look what rolls in. Holy cow. We'll see how this turns out, but hopefully we don't hit the same problem that we had last time. We've decided, because of the delays, that we're probably going to end up going on the inside and stop in a lot of small towns and run through the ditch. So we're going to head up that way and see what we can find. Work our way up towards North Carolina and hopefully up into the Chesapeake before it gets too late in the year and the weather chases us south. Your sister lives up in Bath.
Yep.
So we're going to try and get up that way. But the boat is all repaired, and we ran everything today. Everything ran up good.
Did good.
It did good. So that's where we finish up this whole series of being hit by lightning. I hope you followed along. So next will be trip planning and heading north from here. And come along with us. I hope you enjoy it. If you like what you see in the videos, like and subscribe. And we'll see you next week.